Imagine waking up every day to skin that feels dull, dry, or just not as radiant as you'd like. It's a common frustration, but here's the good news. Vitamins could be the missing piece of your skincare puzzle. But before you rush out to stock up on supplements, let's explore how the right vitamins can transform your complexion and which ones are truly worth the hype. All products mentioned here were chosen independently by our editorial team. However, if you decide to purchase something through our affiliate links, we may earn a small commission from retailers. Who doesn't dream of glowing, healthy-looking skin? Achieving that coveted radiance isn't just about slathering on serums. It starts with nourishing your body from within. The best vitamins for skin come from a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, and fish, explains Natacha Bonjou, a French pharmacist and founder of Bonjou Beauty. Your skin is your largest organ, and it often reflects internal imbalances first. This is why separating skincare from nutrition simply doesn't work. If your diet already ticks all the boxes and your skincare routine is dialed in, adding targeted vitamins might provide the extra boost your skin needs. Vitamins can act as powerful allies when combined with proper hydration, nutrition, and a resilient skin barrier, Bonjou adds. So, what exactly do vitamins do for your skin? According to board-certified dermatologist Toral Vaidya, MD, MPH, FAAD, they play multiple roles, supporting repair, promoting collagen production, combating oxidative stress, and reducing inflammation. To find the right vitamins for your unique concerns, we consulted top dermatologists, pharmacists, and estheticians. Below, discover their expert picks and learn how each one works its magic. Shaz Best Powder, AG1 Greens Powder Supplement. Why we love it. AG1 has earned its reputation as one of the top greens powders around, and for good reason. This powerhouse blend contains over 75 ingredients, including vitamins, minerals, superfoods, probiotics, plant extracts, antioxidants, and an enzyme mushroom complex. Users report improved gut health, increased energy levels, and healthier hair, skin, and nails thanks to its impressive lineup of skin-loving nutrients like vitamins A, C, E, biotin, and zinc. For Bonjou, AG1 is her go-to when she wants a streamlined alternative to juggling multiple supplements. She pairs it with her innovative solid serum, Le Balm, designed to replace several morning skincare steps. It's one easy shot, packed with everything your skin craves, she says. Plus, its NSF-certified formula blends effortlessly, offering a delicious tropical taste with hints of pineapple and vanilla. Or try one of the new flavors, citrus, berry, or tropical. Key ingredients: vitamins A, C, E, biotin, zinc, form, powder. Serving size, 1 scoop. Certifications, NSF certified. Best for fine lines and wrinkles. Thorn, Collagen Plus. Why we love it. When it comes to smoothing fine lines and wrinkles, Elizabeth Grace Hand, NYC-based esthetician and founder of Style Studios, swears by Thorn Collagen Plus. At the heart of this supplement is Mito Heal, a patented blend of black and red currants, rich in alkaloids and polyphenols. Clinical studies show it helps soften wrinkles, refine skin texture, and even out discoloration. Beyond Mito Heal, the formula includes 13 grams of grass-fed collagen peptides, types 1 and 3, a peach extract that boosts ceramide production, and nicotinamide riboside, a precursor to NAD+, known for promoting cellular repair. NAD+ supplements are fascinating because they support longevity and cellular resilience, Bonjou notes. Key ingredients: collagen peptides, Mito Heal, nicotinamide riboside, form, powder, serving size, 1 scoop, certifications, NSF certified, GMP certified, hashtag, best for firmness and plumping. Collagen Love Skin Supplement. Why we love it. Collagen is synonymous with youthful, firm skin, and this capsule delivers big time. Some studies suggest oral hydrolyzed collagen improves hydration and elasticity. Bonjour loves pairing collagen peptides with vitamin C, explaining, they're a dynamic duo for collagen synthesis. Vitamin C stabilizes new collagen fibers, while peptides supply the raw materials. These capsules skip artificial additives and instead focus on antioxidant-rich vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, and red wine and grapeseed extracts. Key ingredients: collagen peptides, vitamin C, hyaluronic acid. Form: capsule. Serving size: 3 capsules. Certifications: Clean Label Project, Non-GMO Project. Best for reactive skin. Verdoux, le complément alimentaire. Why we love it. Sensitive or stressed skin? This French-made gem is your answer. Packed with functional mushrooms, ceramides, astaxanthin, and vitamin E, it's clinically tested to calm irritation caused by travel, seasonal changes, and environmental aggressors. Vitamin E shields the skin barrier and soothes sensitivity, Bonjour says. Pairing it with omega-3s can further reduce dryness and strengthen the barrier. Designed as a short-term cure, the brand recommends cycles of 30, 60, or 90 days based on individual needs. Key ingredients: ceramides, reishi and framella mushrooms, astaxanthin, vitamin E. Form: capsule. Serving size: 2 capsules. Certifications: GMP certified, third-party tested. Best for hydration: Ritual Hyacera, daily skin hydration supplement. Why we love it. Hyaluronic acid is a favorite in topical products for quenching thirsty skin. But did you know you can take it orally too? This vegan capsule boasts clinical results for improving smoothness, minimizing fine lines, and enhancing hydration. Powered by Ceretique and HyaBest complexes, it features biofermented hyaluronic acid for maximum absorption. Oral hyaluronic acid supports skin hydration and aids in wound healing and tissue repair, Vidya explains. Key ingredients: hyaluronic acid, glycolipids, ceramides. Form: capsule. Serving size: 1 capsule. Certifications: Non-GMO Project, Clean Label Project, Climeco. Best for blemishes: Nutrafol Clear Skin Nutraceutical. Why we love it. Breakouts can stem from various factors, so addressing them internally is key. This standout formula combines zinc, a mineral clinically proven to reduce acne-related inflammation, with pantothenic acid, vitamin B5, to regulate sebum production. Additional highlights include vitamins A, C, D3, niacin, prebiotics, and probiotics. Probiotics show promise in reducing acne-related inflammation, Vidya says. Key ingredients: holy basil, maca, turmeric, berberine. Form: capsule. Serving size: 4 capsules. Certifications: NSF certified. Best for stressed skin. The new B complex supplement. Why we love it. B vitamins are unsung heroes for skin health. From niacinamide B3, calming redness, to pantothenic acid B5, hydrating deeply, these water-soluble nutrients pack a punch. This capsule provides all 8 B vitamins, making it ideal for tackling stress-induced skin issues. Bonjour turns to a similar B complex formula during periods of travel or high stress. Key ingredients: thiamine, riboflavin, niacin, folate, vitamin B12, biotin. Form: capsule. Serving size: 1 capsule. Certifications: non-GMO. Best for texture and elasticity. Paya Health Superior Skin with retinol and biotin. Why we love it. Retinol reigns supreme for anti-aging and acne-fighting benefits. Internally, beta-carotene serves as a precursor to vitamin A, supporting cell turnover and radiance. This cherry-flavored gummy also features ingestible retinol acetate, along with biotin, vitamin C, D3, and E. Key ingredients: biotin, retinol, vitamin A. Form: gummy. Serving size: 2 gummies. Certifications: non-GMO. Best with probiotics. Sakara Beauty Biome. Why we love it. Gut health and skin health are closely linked. This capsule combines vitamins A, D, E, and probiotics to fortify the gut-skin axis, promoting clarity and radiance. A balanced gut visibly enhances skin glow, Bonjour says. Key ingredients: vitamins A, D, E, probiotics, Dermaval. Form, capsule. Serving size, 2 capsules. Certifications, GMP certified, non-GMO. Best for dullness and damage. Naomi Extra Strength Astaxanthin plus KQ10. Why we love it. Modern life exposes our skin to oxidative stress, but antioxidants fight back. This soft gel pairs astaxanthin, one of nature's strongest antioxidants, with CoQ10, known for boosting cellular energy and resilience. Key ingredients: CoQ10, astaxanthin. Form, soft gel. Serving size, 1 soft gel. Certifications, non-GMO. Can vitamins really help your skin? Yes, they can, but context matters. Supplements aren't meant to replace a nutrient-dense diet. Rather, they fill gaps. Identifying deficiencies requires professional guidance, Vidya emphasizes. Deficiencies often manifest as dullness, dryness, or breakouts. While vitamins can help address specific concerns, remember that lifestyle factors and medical conditions also play a role. Combining topical and ingestible approaches yields the best results. Which vitamins are best for your skin? Here's a quick breakdown. Vitamin C neutralizes free radicals, boosts collagen, and brightens. New questions. Could certain vitamins interact negatively with medications? How do genetics influence vitamin effectiveness?